a nice thimble. Focus on. Right, there you go. Nice thimble. Intact, just a little bit bent. Just sunbathing again. So this field is pretty good for sunbathing items. Don't have to dig very deep. So that's excellent. And gents, 14 on the Equinox. It was this little decorative, well, I think it's a buckle. I think it's a buckle. But it's quite a big buckle, so who knows? Nice little item. Nice jetting, ladies and gents. Getting closer to that hammered. The hammered are here, they're just in amongst the iron, so it's really hard, unless there's a predominant signal, to find them. Zoom in. It's the second jetting I've had off here. So let's keep going, see if we get them hammered.